Hi, this is Stuart with Team Capstone Team 34, Capstone Proposal website. I'm here to talk about our Sprint 9 and Sprint 10 goals that we've achieved for our artifact review. Um, a lot of the backend is still being built out, such as we are building out our campaigns and how those will actually run with proposals and um, integrating the email functionality with those proposals and to start a campaign is basically sending out an email. So we're integrating that functionality. We're still building out our database for our different entities. We're adding new entities. So that's still going on. Another breakthrough we had was we actually got our sign-in to work. So right now we're using AWS Cognito, and we're leveraging that with AWS user pools, and then we're implementing the JavaScript into our front end React code with Amplify. Okay, so basic functionalities put in place. We're still building out like the create account feature you see here. So let me show you, let me actually share my screen here. All right, okay, so we are sharing. Okay, so this is basically, it's locked down right now. We have it locked down, so you can't see other pages if you're not signed in. Now you can see the home page because that's what we want. I want people to be able to arrive to the home page. But in order to sign in, so with AWS, we created a test user. So test user, I just created a generic password. Okay, we're signing in now. And I hope this is gonna work. All right, we'll try that again. And so we're verifying, that's another thing we need to add. We actually add a wrong password pop up or warning. Okay, so anyway, so account recovery, that's going to be if someone needs to verify an email account, which this is temp test account, so we're not going to do that. All right, so we have this here, which we are in the process of moving, and then we're going to redirect this test user to whatever homepage, either project sponsor, capstone, campaign, or whichever page identifies with the role that they are in the system. So you can see now we can see these. So the test is essentially an admin user, so they can see everything. Here's admin. There's a proposal now. This proposal is being pulled from our database. So we are starting to integrate our proposals and our database. So this seems to work. Everything seems to be working fine. So now that I'm showing you these two things, so another thing we've been working on, which I believe we've already completed, is we actually, so instead of anchor tags, what we're using in this heading, which is rendering the whole page again, we're going to start using links. And the page obviously doesn't render every time, and it's a lot faster compared to this page every time you click it. So that's going to be all of our links. Every link's going to be created that way. So instead of rendering every time, it will actually just display immediately. All right, so that is Capstone 34, Sprint 9 and 10. Artifact review. We do have sign out functionality right now. It will sign out and it will lock down our pages. We're still building out this functionality. You should have a lot more to show. Like register, we're going to have specific users scope to specific pages. That's all coming together now in the Sprint 10, 11. as well as our campaigns. So getting our campaigns is a big goal for us. So those campaigns can get emailed and we can have them running. All right. Thank you again, and that is all. Oh, my name is Stuart Johnson, and this is Team 34 Artifact Review 5, I believe.